How to write a book. Worthy tips for new writers. Are you the one who is worried about how to write a book? Do you think that the reason behind is that you find yourself unconfident to start your writing? If your answer is yes, then this video will help you to build a confidence to start writing a book. Following a few suggestions which will help you a lot to write a book with self-belief. This suggestion is worthy for all those writers who have not written a book before, whatever their interest and field of information is. Do not go to choose a genre of literature in the start. For example, you should not decide at first that what you are going to write either a novel or a fiction book or a book on history. And if you ask me that how to write a book and what genre I should choose, then I will recommend choosing the one you find most easy and comfortable. Also, you should examine your inclination to a particular subject on which you have enough quality material to speak and write. Consider your interest for a topic too. It will work as a source of enjoyment during the whole project. Never decide a timeline to complete your book in the start. It will play the role of a burden on your mind, and you could not feel easy to deliver what your mind thinks and observes. Let me tell a tip to those who want to know how to write a book and how to choose a topic of a book. Plan nothing, just hold the pen, arrange paper sheets, and start writing and continue it until you feel that you have nothing more to write about. Adjourn this session for some time and go out for a little refreshment and forget everything you have wrote down. In the next sitting, observe the papers you wrote in the last session just like a critic. Try to find out the inclination of information and interest of a writer hidden in the lines. You will obviously find out what the writer wants to say and write. Of course, this should be the topic of your book. To become the #1 best-selling author you must visit us at www.writingwriting.info for more information.